Hello guys, welcome to your 25th C++ tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about inheritance. Inheritance is a very important part of C++ programming, and it implements object-oriented programming concepts in C++. Okay, so follow along. It's not as difficult as the previous couple of videos, but still you need to pay attention, so stick with me. So I first create a class of, well, it's the base class. Okay, so I create a public function that says void print, which essentially hello there, and end the line there. Okay, so this is class base. Okay, and the class inherited, it inherits from the class base. Okay, and after this just put these empty braces and nothing else is required. I'll explain it to you later. I'm just typing the code quickly so I could explain it to you. So I create an object of base class, and let's call it mom, because okay, so mom dot print and inherited uh, daughter, and daughter dot print. There we go. So this should output these lines. Yeah, there we go, these two lines. Beautiful. So now let me explain it to you. We include the class IOStream using namespace, all the basics. We create a class called base, nothing new here. This is something new. Class inherited from base class. What I can say from this is that this class inherits all the qualities of the class of base. For example, it inherits all the public things in the class base. Okay, so it inherits this function print into its own self. Even though this body is empty, yet uh, it still does this thing what the base class does. You can think of it as similar to a mom who passes on her characteristics to her daughter, and her daughter inherits those characteristics from her mom. That's why I named it like this, so it would be clearer. So just be careful. I just put a colon here and just wrote this. This is how simple you can inherit classes. Now, how is this helpful? Well, for example, I wanted to change something, there was some error, so I change it here, and it is automatically reflected on all the other classes. In higher level of programming, all programs are just classes. There are several different classes. Each team is assigned different classes to work on, and well, if there is an error in the class, a single change in the class will affect all the other classes and remove the error on all the other classes. Isn't that beautiful? So if I type in something random here and let's run it, so the same thing comes up. It is reflected on this class as well. We can create objects and do whatnot. We can do whatever we want with this. Okay, so be careful that you understood these. The past few videos have been tough, I know. It was even difficult for more difficult for me to grasp them, and some more are coming your way. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay cool. Thank you.